Hi everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to create with the newest Softlex Company design kit, Star-Crossed Levers? I am using beads from this kit as well as a few extra beads for my collection. These beautiful 7 millimeter Czech glass that are available on the Softlex Company website, and I will leave a link down below in the description. They come in so many different colors and they are one of my favorite beads to use from the website. So you'll just need some eye pins. We're going to work on the first part of our necklace. It's kind of like a little dainty necklace, but it's perfect for this upcoming Valentine's Day season. Before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And also, I will leave a link down below in the description for the products used in this video, as well as the tutorial playlist for our Cross Levers Design Kit. Let's start creating. To start, we're going to make the little connection points with our eye pins. And you can make your own eye pins out of Softlex craft wire. And these are 1 inch eye pins just because my beads are so small. I'm just going to use a smaller size of eye pin. So we'll just add on a heart. And then I'm not sure what I'm going to add on the bottom of the eye pin yet, if I want to add like a little tassel or a charm. So by just attaching it to the eye pin now, I can decide in the future of what I would like to add. We are making our loops with a one-step looper, and I am using the 1.5 millimeter. I know with them being so small, sometimes it's hard to grab. We're just going to go and put it in our tool and just give it a gentle squeeze. And we'll have our loop. So we're going to do that for the remainder of our little dangles. So we have our little loop. I'm going to open up another eye pin, similar as you would a jump ring, and attach the little heart that we just made on the eye pin with our tool. Close up my little circle and add on a 7 millimeter fire polish. We're just going to slide it in the tool again and give it a squeeze. And we'll have our perfect loop. We're just going to make any adjustments. Make sure our loop is closed. We won't want to lose our little embellishments for a necklace. And we'll just add that back to our design. We're going to do the same thing on all the other little components. For the one in the middle, it's a little longer. These little ceramic hearts are just adorable. I think they're made by the same people that made the little penguins for the Arctic Circle design. Just so detailed. We'll add on our little fire polish, make our loop, and you can keep making your loops and then just close your loops at the ends, completely up to you. And add one of these beads on. So we'll just open up our little eye pin, attach, and you can do this same technique for a bracelet, a beaded tassel, a necklace, earrings. We have all of our little embellishments connected with the eye pins. Now we're just going to bring in 6 millimeter jump rings and connect to the top of our little components. We're just going to do that for all 3 of our little dangles. Just so pretty. I love the fire polish. It just really gives it the sparkle to this necklace. So it's not over sparkly, but it'll definitely be noticed. So we have all of our little embellishments, and then we can add something with a jump ring or a tassel in the future. So now I will just be stringing this with basic bead stringing onto the beautiful Softlex wire in pink tourmaline. This is one of my go-to colors for the Valentine's season. So we're going to string the first part of the necklace, and then we'll add in our seed beads and our extra Czech glass. And I'm going to make this necklace about 20 inches. And I like to work on the spool. So I'm just going to keep the soft flex for now on the spool, just acts as a bead stop. We're going to slide on all of our beautiful beads. And then we'll add in the rest of the beads and attach our clasp. So we have the start to our beautiful little necklace. And now we're just going to add the seed beads. So I will go ahead and cut the 20 inches of soft flex for my necklace. So I'm using size 8 seed beads. So I'm going to pick up 3 seed beads. And what's nice about soft flex is it acts as a needle. So you don't have to pick up these little beads with your fingers. I'll add on one of my little Czech glass and then 3 more seed beads. We'll do the same thing on the other side until we reach our desired length for our necklace. I use my red beads about halfway, and then I just finish with the clear seed beads. And you can kind of see the pink tourmaline from clear seed bead. So now to finish our necklace, we're just going to need 2 2x2s, 2 6mm jump rings, and a clasp of your choice. I'm using a lobster claw. So we're just going to slide on a 2x2 like we would a bead. We're going to pass back through our 2x2, and this is going to create like a little loop. And this is our connection point for our clasp. We're going to take our pliers and just give it a gentle squeeze and rotate. And this will give it a more professional finish. And we have a little bit of soft flex wire, so we're just going to take our other pliers and just trim any extra. You have a lot of soft flex wire, so I'm just going to slide my project down so that last seed bead is resting next to the 2x2. This will give us more soft flex wire on this side, and we can save it for a future project. So I'm just going to trim it to a more workable length and save my extra soft flex. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Add that 2x2 and then pass it through. We want to compare that our loops are fairly the same size. They don't have to be perfect. You just want them as similar as they can be. Go and give it a squeeze and rotate. Trim off any extra soft flex wire. Now we're going to attach our clasp, and I like to attach them with jump rings a few reasons. If I ever want to switch out my clasp in the future, instead of having to restring the project, you can just open up the jump ring and switch out your clasp, or maybe just add another length of chain. So completely up to you, and it saves time from having to restring it. So we have our jump ring, and then I'm just going to attach my lobster claw. And we're just going to gently twist. You should hear a little click, and you'll know it's closed. And then we're going to attach another jump ring on this side so our lobster claw can attach to it. If you're attaching it to like a toggle bar or a 2-part clasp, you would just attach the other clasp to the side. And on the back, you can add a made with love charm or another little bead and just really personalize it. We have our beautiful necklace using the newest Softlex Company design kit, Star-Crossed Lovers. And then we added in some seed beads in a size 8 and these little fire polished Czech glass that were exclusive in the kit. And then we still have these little eye pins that we can add, maybe like a little star charm or just a little flower or something in the future. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow and helps me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. And also, I will leave a link down below in the description for any products used in today's video, as well as tutorial playlists for necklace inspiration and this design kit. Have an awesome day.